Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my driving robot Mydfir, which is the oldest model that I have still in operation, and it is supposed to follow a line, the black one, recognize colors, 3 colors, and indicate then which one of the colors it finds, as well as active sonar right here and here to detect any object while it's driving and then react to it. However, as indicated in the last video, there's been a problem because it loses contact now and then, and the contact with the connection that is not USB, well, partly USB, but mostly radio frequency. So the part with this LED in the controller is communicating with that device, the data link, which I have now set vertical, so the wire is kept straight and going to the computer, as in maintaining a steady connection while it is driving around. Let's see how that is making a difference or not while it is driving around, and maybe that's a solution. Otherwise I have to find another thing or another solution for losing the connection, and for that I change to screencast. So while I don't have the code open in a terminal or in an editor, I do have obviously the camera, the execution terminal and diagnostics program open. So let's see what happens this time. And it says absolutely nothing. So that's not a good way to start. It is not flickering, so there is something wrong in the communication here. And oops, this is communicating. And it stops communicating. Reading from the interface again. And it stops once again. So the old trick, open the interface, then via the data link, and all I have to do then is close the interface, or it should be, start again. Now you can see that there's some interaction, but it doesn't drive, but at least there's some interaction. So clearly putting the data link in the middle of the track was not the solution that I had hoped for. Remains the question, why is it failing? And I'm absolutely not sure where to find it. Right, the failure that I had was simply no such device, which can mean anything. The only test that I so far used was this test one, which only goes here, and it says basically nothing about no such device. Device test has interface, so I have decided to put inside the while loop which test on distances for the sonar larger than 8, to put a real interface test and see how that works out when I actually do something here. Alright, what does it say in here? Nothing. Again. Alright, another test. And absolutely nothing, which indicates that it doesn't do anything at all. Open interface. and close it again. Run. Really? Oh, yeah, typo. But that does mean that something did happen. Go. And that's all it does. It doesn't do a thing because there's no power apparently. Now there is. And no such device again. And it stumbles upon the same thing. So all I can do now is once again open and close. Go. And here it goes into the same error. So I'm going to change the battery pack, see whatever that makes for a difference. Although here it goes fine. So this rules out anything for this interface. It's got to do with this interface. One step ahead. But I better change this battery pack anyway. With the battery pack replaced, I find I made a slight cosmetical error, because I can see in the data file that it says if test2 OK and then straight after it while start. So now I put a new line character in here, so the while start appears now on the new line. However, still back to this interface, which looks like faulty. Now it shows this. So did it actually record it? Yes, it did. But there's no if test to fout, which means wrong in Dutch. So it goes here and then line 1. Alright, I have to find line 1. This will work better. And right. So this is where it is, line 100. So here it ends, and then it says line 2, which is correct. But there's no indication that that is really the whole point. Even so, that while has been disabled. So it is just going on. Color sensors. But that's not our problem right now. The problem is still, why does it stop? Why does it suddenly stop? Because, and there I go wrong, like this, it addresses it. You see this LED blink clearly. it is this LED you should look at, and this is working as well. So while this is going on, this is failing, or this is going on and that is failing. What's the problem? Where is it exactly? And I don't know. Granted, this is very old stuff right now. It's fun stuff, but it's old stuff, so maybe that's a part of the problem. But I guess I better ask the developer, which may not answer after all. So with this experiment showing old and maybe failing technology, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can support, which is very much appreciated, via Ko-fi, PayPal, or becoming a patron. And please visit my website for more information about other fischertechnik projects that I have and embedded systems projects. This is likely going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.